If it was green, he would go fast, but if it's yellow, it means he has to go slower. Because that train have him fast.
Last week it was yellow too.
I can kind of hear the track.
It's yellow right now?
I'm keeping an eye on it. I want it to go green. Then it'll throws him in 8th gear.
How many gears he got?
He's got gear 8 gear. I think the Chargers might have 4
There's
or
one
8.
coming that way.
We might have a meet.
We got 2.
It's gonna be another Amtrak. I can tell by the horn. We got 2 Amtraks. That's another Amtrak, and blow that horn, boy. Yeah. Amtrak to Milwaukee. I think the Empire Builder's coming the other way. I can't tell, but I heard a K5LA. I know when.
Good action today.
Well, we might actually hear. I think we got Amtrak, the Empire Builder coming. I don't know, but the Empire Builder's coming. I think.
I gotta go soon.
Oh yeah, that's Empire Builder. Get over here. Yes! Finally! Amtrak meetup! Back out! Oh, he's not stopping! There goes the Empire Builder to Chicago. Oh, that's because, I forgot. I promised Dr. Clash, see, we found some railroad tie beds, and stuff that we thought, like, so at least some, well, not really.
What's going on up there?
Either someone, last time we saw construction, they were doing. Usually this is mainly for express trains. I bet.
Do you see Dr. Clash?
Yeah, it is Dr. Clash. He knows.
Sorry we're late.
I'll see you at 5:45. I got him to honk him. back.
You're Spanish, aren't you?
Well, no, I actually am adopted, but I don't know my birth
You're
parents.
adopted?
Yeah, which my mom decided to come out to me when I was 16, which is not kind of cool.
Your mom told you that when you were 16?
Yeah,
What?
which is
How old are you now?
wrong. That's not express.
How old are you now?
16 still, but I turned 17 in a month. Relay,
But your mom just told you a couple days ago?
like at the beginning of the year, she did.
Why didn't your dad tell you?
I don't know.
Were you upset?
A little, but
Has she ever had a real kid? Huh? Like a biological?
well, I have 2 little brothers, which are from my stepdad and mom. So yeah. Come on, blow your horn. Oh, it's at 59 PHI. I love when they're approaching or going fast. The horn does a good sound effect to it. Blow your horn, boy. Blow it. Blow it. Yeah. There's a...
That's the French horn?
No, those are the regular horns that Amtrak used to use on their trains. Alright guys, here goes 91. Depart to Fox. Shout out to 91.